Welcome to today's exploration of tuned mass dampers, the unsung heroes of tall buildings. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of these engineering marvels and how they play a crucial role in controlling vibrations in skyscrapers. Let's get started. Tall buildings are magnificent structures reaching for the sky. However, with great height comes a unique set of challenges, particularly in managing vibrations caused by external forces like wind and seismic activity. Enter tuned mass dampers, or TMDs. These devices are ingeniously designed to counteract the sway and vibrations that tall buildings experience. The core of a TMD consists of a mass component, a spring system, and a damping mechanism. The mass, often a heavy object made of materials like steel or concrete, is connected to the building through a spring system. This allows controlled movement, while the damping mechanism, such as hydraulic dampers, dissipates kinetic energy. The magic of tuned mass dampers lies in their ability to be tuned to specific frequencies. By adjusting the mass, spring, and damping properties, TMDs are fine-tuned to match the natural frequency of the building or the dominant frequency of external forces. This tuning is crucial in preventing resonance, where external forces align with the building's natural frequency, leading to increased vibrations and potential structural damage. One of the primary challenges TMDs address is wind-induced vibrations. As the wind blows against a tall building, it induces swaying. Tuned mass dampers absorb and dissipate this energy, minimizing discomfort for occupants and preventing excessive swaying. It's like a silent dance between the building and the wind, with the TMD acting as a stabilizing partner. TMDs also play a crucial role in seismic-prone regions. During an earthquake, they absorb and dissipate seismic energy, enhancing the building's overall seismic performance. This dynamic capability makes TMDs adaptable to various external forces, providing an effective solution for dynamic load management. Implementing tuned mass dampers is not only effective but also cost-efficient. Instead of significantly increasing a building's stiffness or strength, TMDs offer a more economical solution to control vibrations. It's a smart investment in the structural health and longevity of tall buildings. And there you have it, the unsung heroes, tuned mass dampers. These unassuming devices silently work behind the scenes, ensuring the stability and comfort of our towering structures. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of engineering excellence. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting explorations. Until next time, stay tuned.